Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create an event on Discord. So first of all, launch your Discord and open the particular server where you want to create an event and click on server name and click on create event. And where is your event? Select your voice channel, or you can select somewhere else, and I'm gonna select in my general voice channel. Next, and enter here your event title or topic. Select your event start date and time, and you can enter your event description and click on upload cover image to add a for the event. And now click on apply, click on next, click on create event. So as you can see, my event has been successfully created. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.